Bake chicken and potatoes with bechamel sauce in 10 minutes. We'll be needing 3 medium potatoes cut in circles 1 cm thick each. Prepare 1 chicken breast fillet sliced into thin short stripes. In a non-toxic cookware, add the chicken and then add 1 tablespoon of olive oil on top. Add half a teaspoon of white pepper, 1/8 teaspoon of nutmeg and half a teaspoon of salt and 3 cloves of garlic. Mix all the ingredients together with your hand until it's well blended. Add the sliced potato into the chicken mix. Then add 1 cup of diced carrots, fresh or frozen. Add 1 cup of green peas, fresh or frozen, on top of the chicken mix and then mix them all together. Add 1 tablespoon of whole wheat flour, half a teaspoon of chicken stock powder, and half a cup of shredded mozzarella cheese. Then add 2 cups of milk and mix again. Then top the mix with a half cup of mozzarella cheese. Cover the pan with foil and bake it in a preheated oven at 200 degrees Celsius or 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 40 minutes. After 40 minutes, uncover the pan. You can add more cheese if you like. Then let it broil for another 10 minutes. And it's done. Serve it while it's hot.